Hello students, let's continue with the second chapter, that is chapter 11, Seven Wonders of the World. Seven Wonders of the World means the amazing works of art and architectures known as the Seven Wonders of the ancient world serve as the testament of the ingenuity, imagination and the sheer hard work of which human beings are capable. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer is the largest Art Deco statue in the world. It is 98 feet tall and the arms stretch to 92 feet wide. Christ the Redeemer is located in the Tijuca Forest National Forest at the top of the Corcovado mountain. It is a statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Next. The next one is it's a world famous Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is the most visited tourist destination in Peru, a symbol of the Incan Empire and the built around 1450 AD. Machu Picchu was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 and was named one of the new seven wonders of the world in 2007. The next one is the Great Wall of China. Historians usually consider the defensive walls built during the spring and the autumn period and the Warring States period to be the first sections of what would eventually become the structure known as the Great Wall of China. This wall is made up of cement, rocks, bricks and dirt. It was finished in 1878 and it was meant to protect the north of the Empire of China from enemy attacks. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. It is about 21,196. It is built about 21,196 kilometers long, 9.1 meters wide and the 50 meters high. Next. The next seven wonders of the world is Colosseum. Colosseum was 156 meters wide, 189 meters long and the 57 meters tall. It is the biggest amphitheater built by the Roman Empire. The Colosseum is in Rome, the capital of Italy. The Colosseum could seat around 50,000 spectators for a variety of events. This included gladiator contests, animal hunts, and reenactments of famous battles. It exposes us to new cultures and experiences and makes the world a more tolerant place. No visit to Rome is complete without a visit to ancient Rome's most famous site, the Roman Colosseum. As one of the most recognized landmarks in the world, the Colosseum stands today as an iconic symbol of ancient imperial Rome. Next is, yes, it's a Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza was a large Mayan city by the Maya civilization. It is on the Yucatan Peninsula, about 120 kilometers to the east of Merida. Some of the most famous parts of Chichen Itza includes the Temple of Kukulkan, the Plum Serpent that is called El Castillo in Spanish. Chichen Itza became an important commercial center, trading in goods including gold and other treasures with other cities throughout the Americas. At its height, it is believed that as many as 50,000 people lived in the city. Next. It's one of the most beautiful, you can say, seven wonders in the world, right? I hope you all, some of you have visited, then see this place, that is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the year 1653. Taj Mahal is built in the loving memory of Mumtaz Mahal, wife of Emperor Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal is built by 20,000 artisans in a span of 22 years. Taj Mahal is one of the famous historical monuments in India. And the last one is Petra in Jordan. Petra in Jordan. Petra is also called the Rose City because of the color of the stone from which it is carved. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. Petra is a symbol of Jordan as well as Jordan's most visited tourist attraction. Petra was built by the Nabateans in the what is new southern Jordan while the civilization was amassing great wealth trading with its Greek and Persian contemporaries around 150 BC. Hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.